Hello everyone and welcome back to our videos. Today we will talk about the aircraft stability. Stability is a characteristic of an airplane in flight that causes it to return to a condition of equilibrium or steady flight after it is disturbed. For example, if you are flying a stable airplane that is distributed while in straight and level flight, it has a tendency to return to the same attitude. We have two types of stability: the static stability and the dynamic stability. We will start to talk about the static stability. Static stability is the initial tendency that an object displays after its equilibrium is distributed. An airplane with a positive static stability tends to return to its original altitude after displacement. A tendency to move farther away from the original altitude following a disturbance is negative static stability. What are that means? What we see here, it will illustrate it. This a positive static stability that it will return to its position as we talked before. But the negative static stability, as we see here and they said, is move farther away from the original attitude. Positive static stability is the most desirable characteristic because the airplane attempts to return to its original trimmed attitude. Almost all light aircraft exhibit this characteristic. However, static stability is highly desirable in aerobatic aircraft and some high-performance military aircraft. The second type of stability, the dynamic stability. Dynamic stability describes the time required for an airplane to respond to its static stability following a displacement from a condition of equilibrium. It is determined by the tendency to oscillate and damp out successive oscillations after the initial displacement. Although an airplane may be designed with positive static stability, it could have positive, negative, or neutral dynamic stability. Assume an airplane in night is displaced from an established attitude. If its tendency is to return to the original attitude directly or through a series of decreasing oscillations, it exhibits positive dynamic stability. But if you find the oscillations increasing in magnitude as time progresses, negative dynamic stability is exhibited. The neutral dynamic stability is indicated if the airplane attempts to return to its original state of equilibrium, but the oscillations neither increase nor decrease in magnitude as time passes. we have a combination of the static and dynamic stability. The first one, positive static and positive dynamic stability. The second one, positive static and negative dynamic stability. The last one, positive static and neutral dynamic stability. The most desirable condition is a combination of positive static and positive dynamic stability. In this situation, less effort is required to return the airplane to its original altitude because it wants to return.